Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing on PC. The first method is to simply open the task manager. Then once you open the task manager like so, you'll have to search for any application that is using your PC resources like the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Steam, or any other applications. So you have to simply right click on it, then click on End Task, and just leave Marvel Rivals working in your system. Now that was the first method. The second method is to simply go and open your Steam and make sure that it has the latest update. So if you have any updates on your Steam, you'll have to update it. And what you should do right now is to simply go to a library, then go to collections like so. Then after that, you should navigate to Marvel Rivals. Let's say that this game right here is Marvel Rivals. Then click on Properties, then go to Installed Files, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. It will take a couple of minutes, but after that, it will verify and see if you have any missing file that is causing the crash. Now, that was the second method. The third method is to simply go just right here and search for Settings, then go to Update and Security. Then what you should do is to simply go to Windows Update and make sure that your Windows has the latest update. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.